On today's menu, a delicious recipe you'll definitely want to try ironing out. Homemade flatbread.
Lay home, everyone. I'm Will Young. Get ready to wow your friends with an amazing, easy, and made from scratch flatbread.
Mixing bowl, 1 cup flour, a generous pinch of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons dried oregano, drizzle of olive oil, 1/3 cup warm water. Mix well until it forms a dough and knead for a couple minutes. Cover and rest for 15 minutes. Roll the dough into a log and divide into 5 to 6 portions. Roll each portion into a log and flatten with a rolling pin. Medium heat. Heat the bread in a dry pan for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Place your bread on a rack to cool. Alternatively, you can cook the raw bread in the oven at 375 for 8 minutes.
Both methods are just as delicious, but if you cook it in the oven, just make sure you keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn.
You can now make this delicious flatbread from scratch with absolute confidence.
There's really no need to buy this from the store when you can easily make this yourself. It's absolutely amazing. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.